Okay, so here we go. Quick break from filming Qikong Village.
Yeah.
Going with friends Martin from Sweden and Stacy from the Democratic Republic of Congo.
Yeah, no, sorry, I'm not from Sweden, I'm Asian.
Oh, right.
Don't forget that.
He's from Nepal. Stacy, what's the name of this waterfall again?
7 hole waterfall.
7 hole?
Hole, yeah.
Like a hole, like a
hole in the ground.
like a lady's hole. 7 hole, perfect. 2 for each of us. Had to put the camera away. Couldn't film most of the way up here because it was pretty treacherous, pretty sketchy, especially doing it in flip-flops. But anyway, the trail keeps going up a little bit further. Stacy says there's nothing really up there. So we turned back. Now we're gonna dunk in here. I smell god-awful, so looking to bathe in there. There goes a beautiful butterfly soaring away. I'll see if I can film some of the way up and the way down, just to show you what it's like. There's a lot of ropes to hold on to. So they made it. Look at Martin. Beautiful Viking man. And our Congolese friend.
Yeah, so now Harry, he's trying the cold water. Feel good, I finally. How is it, you American man?
Woo. Brisk.
I thought you were a soldier.
I'm an airman. There's a difference. Good. So essentially, it's like this almost most of the way down. Sketchy ropeways. Not smart to do it in sandals. He's doing it in straight up flip-flops. So bring shoes if you come here. You can see how the ropes run up. Kind of grab these jungle trees. This is one of the holes though. Very nice. I have no idea what that is. It almost looks like a demon's carcass. So probably haunted. You can take wrong turns coming down easily here. There's another hole right there though. Comes down. They went the other way. I ended up that one. So back up and over there for me. You can see the ropes crisscrossing their way up there. Basically the whole hike. You end up putting a lot of faith into random Taiwanese knot tires.
Hey guys, I
haven't seen him up to that.
Oh, we gotta meet him again someday.
Holes friend.
Stacy, is this the deepest hole?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. That's a hole for me then, huh?
Yeah.
And then you got like the oily, dirty one down there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's yours, Martin.
No, it's not deep enough.
Hey. Made it back down. This is the parking lot. There's a bathroom right there. Parking here costs 60 Taiwanese dollars, so $2 US. You pay to the nice auntie up there who sits there and watches TV with her family. Definitely a treacherous hike. Highly recommend bringing sneakers. A little rough in sandals, but easy enough to do. I think it's about a 40-minute drive from Qikong Village out here, but 30 minutes if Martin drives.
Yeah, don't use flip-flops. It sucks.
Definitely don't use those kind of flip-flops.
Fuck.
Anyway, good hike. Suggest it.